Above you flies your dreams, visions, and stories. Above dozens of states whose history impacted others. Within Derby skies lies truths undenied of who invented and who inspired the most impacted of the world. Look above. Your view won't be disrupted by the size or the distance. Your view of the scene will be futuristic, with 147 nations in it. It will thrive, driven by an engine as powerful on takeoff as 750 cars. So while you rev, ready to lift off, count down from 4, whisper, Trent, 1000, Aero, engine. Who manufactures such power bears mention when tension rips through wealth disparities, when profits can't be rounded off and unfairness won't be forgotten. Look up and ask, who was this city built for? And why wouldn't it be for me? Why wouldn't these skies be mine?